Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builders Supply, and this video is to bring you a closer look at the Asa Abloy, better known as Adams Rite, 41-0901-05-IP. This is a replacement end cap for the nose, what they call the nose, which would be the latching side of the door, really, or what would be the latching side of the door, in plastic. This is exactly what the end cap assembly looks like. The 41090105 is the part number that allows you to once reverse derive at this being the item for you. That part number is very important, what I mean to say. The IP at the end just means individually packed, so let's forget that. It doesn't, I mean, it's part of the part number, that it just means that there's one per package. This 05 version, the 41090105, makes this specifically for the following devices. The 3300, the 3600, the 3900, the 8300, 8400, 8500, 8600, 8900, 8900M version is what this is for. There is no stamping on any of the parts here to help determine what this is. Occasionally there is. The bottom line is the video, the images, and the dimensions I'm about to give are intended to help you determine if this is the right one. Another way to determine that is to just simply determine the exit device that you have and then get the parts manual for that, so we can do it both ways. There is a link below this video to a document called end cap cross-reference. Yeah, end cap cross-reference. And this 05 version differentiates it from other versions, but it also infers that this cap portion is plastic. Okay. This is also available for those same devices as metal, with this portion being metal as well as this. So for those devices, you can also sub out the plastic portion, which is standard, for a metal portion. People will order, the device will come with the plastic cap. They'll find that when the delivery man opens the door and he comes in with the cart, he'll break the plastic cap. Some people will say, oh, metal is available for that. Great. Let me have that one because I believe it'll be more durable. So some people will, when changing the cap, will just upgrade to the metal. Now, there are links below this video to the templates for many of the different devices, but not all, that this is available for. So if you've got a device and you want to find the end cap, we will help you determine the device that you have and then get the proper end cap number. If you don't know that, a good handy way to start would be to pull up the full line Adams Rite product catalog and visually compare yours against the pictures and specifications of the exit device, and that would be a way. And then, of course, by all means, reach out to us and we will assist you entering your order by determining the proper end cap. Now, dimensional properties. Overall height of the plastic cap, about 2 7/16. Overall width of the cap itself, about 1 1/16. The projection, about 1 5/16. The length of the corrugated metal itself, about 5 1/8. And of course, an overall is going to be about 6 inch. Height of that, about 1 1/4 inches. There is a link below this video to those templates for most of the devices I had mentioned earlier. If you pull any of those up, you will see where this end cap is referred to, along with the metal version of it as well, and then with all of the other potential replaceable parts that you might need in order to rebuild your unit. You will want to take note of the fact that there is no reference to screws that hold this material on, and when you buy the end caps, the screws are not included, and not all of the templates feature the part number for the end cap, for the screws for the end cap, which you will be able to eventually find if you search enough, but the screw required for this is going to be your part number, and I'm taking this off of the parts manual, S292-10R10-603-MP. That's the part number for the screws. So if you need screws for these end caps, order that line item as well. Now, it would be nice if it was obvious on all of the templates what screw you needed for that. That's just not always the case, although Adams Rite surely exerts tremendous effort to get their documentation complete. I'm very partial to Adams Rite, and it's because they make all of their information available. Meaning, there's a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all the Adams Rite products that we sell, a link to the manufacturer's website, a link to the full product catalog, but also a link to the parts manual. The links that we have there are always, or we endeavor to always be the most current and are thoroughly indispensable. Because you've got an exit device that's several $100s and you need a tiny little piece. And having access to the parts drawing, this client's order here, this person did an excellent job at being able to get all of the part numbers required to simply rebuild a device, saving, continuing to get useful service out of a significant investment in an exit device. Adams Rite I'm partial to because they make that data available. And when the data is not clear, cut, and straightforward, their technical support is perfect with responses and getting the information to you so that you can continue to get that useful service out of the significant investment in exit device hardware, or electric strikes, or aluminum storefront material, or electrified hardware. If you have any questions on the Adams Rite, number 41-0901-05 IP end cap, or any other Adams Rite product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.